How do you keep your lips so beautiful? How do you keep your lips so beautiful? Please make a video. I find this one funny. Grab your toothbrush, wet it. This is gonna exfoliate, get off any dead skin. Also causes your lips to look very plump for you to use if you're gonna go to a photo shoot. Unpopular opinion, but I don't use Vaseline. Vaseline doesn't add moisture to your lips. It only retains the moisture that's already there. Use a little bit of a moisturizer. I'm always dropping stuff. Just a little bit, cause we ain't trying to taste barf. Then going with one of your lip masks. This one is from Cosrx. I use this every day, morning and nighttime before I go to sleep. Before I go to sleep, I actually do like cake a lot on because I'm going to bed and I'm just trying to keep my lips from losing as much moisture as possible, especially during the winter. During the winter months, I'm not trying to have chapped lips. This is very glossy, it's very shiny, and if you're not trying to have super shiny, if you're not trying to have super shiny lips, then just use a very small amount on top of the moisturizer. No more chapped lips, only plush, plump lips.